Alrighty, back with some more Trinity breaks here. Next up we have FireMe1428. What's up, bud? If you watched the video right before this, this is the one we'll ship. I put an FM on it instead of AM. FireMe and FireMe. Cool. Here we go. Looks like this one's going to be patch heavy. This product, I mean. Alright, we have Alex Okafor patch. Mike Glennon, that one's numbered to 60. Mike Glennon, patch to 60. 54 of 60, Christine Michael. Not sure what he inscribed there. There is an inscription there. Loved catching passes from Luck. Levine Toyolola. It's a big tight end, dude. Here's your pure glass. 13 of 52, Brad Sorensen. Pure glass. Oh, yeah. Cool looking card. And then we have 2013 Minnesota Vikings first round pick, Cordero Patterson. 43 of 60. Good looking stuff. Lots of inscriptions, glass cards, and patches. .31 of 60, Ryan Nassib. Just a patch. Joseph Randall, 8 of 25, patch. Go Packers, Jonathan Franklin. 36 of 60. Go Wolfpack, David Emerson, 11 of 60. Thanks for everything, Coach Stoops. 25 of 25, Tony Jefferson. And a glass card, 1 of only 2, Kenyon Barner. I'm just going to pull this out right fast. I'm trying to see what there, so you can show it. It's super thick glass. It's sharp too. Not really. It's kind of dull. There's a white spot on the tip of that one. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Not bad though. Cool looking cards. Alright, that'll do it. Fire me. Appreciate it. I'll get on the way. Let me know if you get something nasty out of this whole thing. Alright, see you.